Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu or Idlefish Chinese shopping app. Recently, there is a new update in Xianyu app which make it difficult for people that have not been successfully registered and signed into the app to find it difficult to copy product link. And then as a result of that, a lot of people have been frustrated because of that. They were unable to copy product link to people that can help them to buy or to people that can help them to pay for the particular goods on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So if you find yourself in this category, I have a solution for you right now. All you need to do is to stay tuned to this video and watch from the beginning to the end and see how to get product code instead of copy product link on Xianyu Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to make sure you go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Then having opened up your Chrome browser, go ahead and click on the plus sign right here. Then take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Then go ahead and click on settings. Then scroll down right here until you get to site settings. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to desktop site. So go ahead and click on desktop site. Just make sure you switch to desktop right here. Once you switch to desktop, then go back, continue to go back, and then you have to make sure you enter the Xianyu or Idlefish official website in Google search right here. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Xianyu. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Idlefish or Xianyu Chinese shopping app or JD.com or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using any Chinese e-commerce platform. So with that being said, let's proceed. So next thing you want to do is go ahead and come to the search Google right here, and go ahead and type in w.gofish.com, then hit enter. Allow the site to load up right here, and it's going to take you to the official web page of the site. So if you have this type of pop-up right here, there is no need to panic. What you need to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this pop-up right here. Just like so. Then you have access to the site right here. So if I zoom out right here, this will allow me to see more products in different category right here. So you can see different category of products right here. Okay. Now let's say for instance, I need products from computer category. I'll go ahead and click on computer category right here, and it's going to reload to a new page right here. So the same pop-up just come up right here. Go ahead and click on here to close this pop-up. Now we have a lot of different things about computer category right here. If I enlarge right here, you see we have about 1 to 50 plus pages right here. Now we can still click on more and more and see more products in this category right here. Now here, if you copy a product link right here and you send it to the person that wants to help you to make payment, it's going to be wrong. The product link is not going to be work. So what you need to do in this category, let's say for instance, you are interested in this laptop right here. Okay, just go ahead and click on the product link. So when you click on the product link, it's going to load up and show into this particular page right here. Allow it to load up. Then the same login pop-up here, go ahead and click on here to close the pop-up. We are now signing. Now, you need this particular laptop right here. You can see the laptop detail as the likes. You can see the laptop picture right here. You can see the more picture that has been uploaded by the seller right here. And this laptop here is going for 1,580 yuan. Now you need this particular laptop here, and then you don't have access to Xianyu app because of the registration issue or one or two things, and you still need to buy this particular laptop, and then you want to use me to buy it for you, or you want to use any other procurement agent, how can you get this particular product code that you need to send to the person? So on getting to this product page right here, so from the sidebar right here, so what you need to do is to zoom out right here, zoom out. Then you have access to product code right here. So just go ahead and click on product code. So when you click on the product code, it's going to open up right here. So you have the product code right here. So you can see. So what you need to do right here is to screenshot this part of product code. So you can see scan key hard code with the app to fill. So just go ahead and screenshot this. Once you screenshot this particular part, this is what you need to send to your procurement agent that can help you buy this particular product on Xianyu. Let's give a test. So I'm going to exit from the Chrome website right here, and I'll go ahead and open up my Xianyu Chinese shopping app right here. So having opened up the app, for me to scan that particular QR code to have access to the product detail on Xianyu app, we want to make sure we click on here. I'm going to click on here. Now it's going to bring out camera. What you need to do right here, we don't need to use camera. We just need to click on the image icon right here. So once I click on image icon, it's going to reload and open access to my gallery on my phone. I will just go ahead and select the screenshot right here. The product code screenshot, I will just select it and I upload it on Xianyu. And in a few seconds, it's going to scan and show me the exact product page from the app right here. Just like what you see right here. Nothing changed, nothing different. So let's go to Chrome right here. You can see the product price. So from Chrome right here, if I click on here to close this pump up right here, I'm going to close this pump up, close this pump up. Then from Chrome right here, you can see the product still the same price, 1,580 yuan. Then if you take a look at the profile picture of this seller right here, you find out that it's still the same. Just take a look at it. So let's go to the app right here. So let's go to the app right here. So on the app, take a look at it. Let me click on the profile icon. Then you have the profile picture of the seller right here, which is all the same, just like what you see right here. It's the same with what we have in. And this seller here has only single product right here. It's that simple. Let's go back right here. You can see the product picture as it is on the Chrome. Let's quickly go back to Chrome and see how we can use this method to search for different products. I'm going to go ahead. I will just click and close all this tab right here. Or this tab. I'll create a new tab right here, and I'll make sure I go to the website again. We have to make sure we go and type in w.gofish.com, and then it's going to load the official web page of Xianyu app right here. Now we want to make use of search bar right now. So what we want to do here, first thing first, always close this pump up because you don't need that. Okay, we want to make use of search right now. I'm going to zoom out right here, and I'll make sure I come to the search from the top right here. I'll click on here. Let's say we are looking for HP laptop. We hit on send. So we still have this pump up here. Always click on here to close this pump up. Then we have a lot of products for HP laptop. If you zoom here, you see we have a lot right here, about 50 plus pages right here. Now we can go ahead and select any store right here. Let's say, for instance, I'm interested in this store. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and click on the product link, and it takes us right here. Okay, the next thing we want to do here is to always click on here to close this pump up right here. Then we can zoom right here, and then go ahead and get product code right here. And in a few seconds, you have product key hard code right here. Just go ahead and screenshot the product code. Then this code here can be used to scan on the app. I'm going to exit now. Then I'll go back to my app, click on my Xianyu app, go back to the home page. So from the home page right here, I'll go ahead and click on here. Then I'll go ahead and make sure I click on here. Then I'll go ahead and make sure I click on here. Then I'll make sure I select the QR code, upload to Xianyu. And in a few seconds, it's going to scan and show me the exact product right here. Just like so, same way we have it on the Chrome, same way we have it on the app right here. So let's go ahead and check on the Chrome. You can see on the Chrome right here, and on the app right here. So let me go ahead and click on here, close the product QR code right here, and then close the registration pop-up right here. Let's zoom. So you can see product detail. You can see the picture that was uploaded by this seller right here. Just like so, you can see. So if you go back to the app right here, you can scroll down right here and check on the product picture. Just click on here and you see everything still remain the same. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.